Hello guys, welcome back. So we are doing greater things, guys. We are doing greater things. Here is where we do things. We make things happen. We're making history. So please, if you're new to our YouTube channel, endeavor to hit the like button and subscribe. If you like what you see, hit the like button and subscribe, guys, so that it will help with the YouTube algorithm to recommend the videos to other traders. So now let me show you this entry with the boom 1000. How do we get into this trade? So as you can see, it's actually running nicely. It's running nicely, and we're massive blue. So but the target is actually big. We are not scalping, we are kind of like swinging, so it might go into profit and then retrace back a bit. So but over the long run, patience is actually the key. So now let me show you how I actually got this entry, right? So on the 1 hour time frame, okay, we had another block, guys. So we had an area there which the market gave us interest. So the market came back to actually retest that area. So when it retested, we used these indicators, which I'm going to be sharing with you, and which I've also shared in my previous video, to get the entries. I told you guys I'll be repeating you, but here is actually how to use this indicator for the higher time frame entry, which is the 15 minutes. So as you can see, guys, we are already in, and I also share this trade to my VIP group. So you have seen one of the reasons why we entered the 1 hour rejection, okay, the 15 minutes crossover of the indicators. All right, so as you can see, it's a wonderful trade. It's a wonderful trade. It's a wonderful trade, guys. So we're just going to hold all the way to our TP, which is 9961. So when it gets to that area, we'll take a profit. We are not greedy. We are not greedy people. So as you can see on the 30 minutes, the indicator got to where our sell zone, it got to our sell zone, and the moving average are also pointing downward. So on the 15 minutes, you can see it's already perfect. It's perfect. So we got our entry. This one, you can actually stack your positions the way in the first like what you actually saw on the first at the beginning of this video, guys. You can stack your accounts like that, and I'm sure you will make money, guys. You won't blow. So we'll be looking at this area for targets, guys. We'll be looking at this area for targets, guys. So mind you, patience is the key. Patience is what the key. Without patience, guys, you always be just running around, guys, and be taking loss here and there, all right, without actually knowing the reason why you're actually taking the loss. So now the next trade, which I also shared to my VIP, is the step index. All right, so this is the major reason, or the major reason why we took this trade. The back end for this trade is mainly price action. Okay, so I'll show you guys how I actually did that in a sec, guys. So you see, it's kind of trying to reject, but still yet we're just gonna hold because of what we actually see on the higher time frame. Now let's check the 1000 again. It's still going down. It's still going down, guys. But we're just gonna be patient. We're just gonna be patient because it's actually the real thing. It's the real deal. So now I'm just gonna show you the trade setup, which I actually shared to my VIP members. So I shared the same trade with them, guys. I shared the same trade with them. So if you want to follow us on the Telegram channel, you can actually follow us. The link is in the description of this video. So you can see we have been taking numerous trades, guys. We have not actually lose any trade, like since the beginning of this year. We haven't lose a trade, guys. We haven't lose any trade. So guys, it's actually wonderful, guys. It's been wonderful. It's been a wonderful year so far. So please follow us on the Telegram channel. The link is in the description of this video. So guys, and also please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, like guys. So everything is happening amazingly, guys. So sometimes we even like I even tell my people to cut losses, and the trade end up going in our favor. Why do I tell them to like cut losses? Because I saw some things that are against our price action. So whenever I see things like that, we just have to like walk away and let the market do its thing, guys. So we just have to walk away and let the market do its thing. So it's been awesome, guys. It's been awesome so far, so good. It's been awesome. So guys, let's now go back to our chart. Let's continue, guys, with the main thing for today. Let's not waste any more time. So please, endeavor to backtest this strategy, guys, before you can use it on a live account. But it actually works very, very well. I won't lie. I won't lie to you for any reason at all. I have no reason to lie. So Boom 1000 is almost getting to our target, guys. It's almost getting to our target. So but we're just gonna be patient and still let it play out, guys. Still let it play out. So the other thing that's killing most of you traders is what? Anxiety. Like you actually run out of patience. Like you're anxious when you see profit, but when you're in a loss, you are not anxious. Like you let the loss like go to your stop loss, but when you're in a profit, you hardly hold it to your take profit. So that alone is actually devastating. Is the reason why most of you guys don't actually make money. That's the reason why most of you guys don't make money. So we're just gonna hold this trade. If I see an opportunity to scale in, I will scale in, guys. So but back again to the Boom 1000. It's still dancing around, but definitely to surely go down, guys. It will surely go down. So endeavor to be like practice the act of patience, guys. You will not lose anything. Definitely, you won't lose anything. But that fear, guys, that fear, that anxiety is it's something you just have to work on. Although I know it's not easy because I was there. It was actually difficult for me to like place a trade. I would just be thinking and overthinking it, and as a result of it, I'll end up missing majority of the opportunities. So I don't think too much. When you see an opportunity, just go in, guys, without any hesitation. All right. So like it's almost there. It's almost there. So I think what I'll do now is I'll likely take my partials because it's almost there. So, but it's been an awesome trade, guys. It's been an awesome trade. It's been an awesome trade, guys. So the thing about this thing is patience, right? Patience, because one, you have to wait patiently for your setup to play out, and even after the setup plays out, you have to enter the trade and patiently wait for the trade to play out. Okay, so everything about trading is absolutely based on what? Patience, guys. Patience. So because if you're not patient enough, you are this kind of a person that wants everything to happen fast. Trading is definitely not for you. It's not for you, guys. But you can actually change that by being persistent and telling yourself, yes, you can do this, yes, you can do this, and day by day you will surely get better and better and better. So we are on another trade now, so which is the Crash 500, and this trade is also an awesome trade, guys. It's an awesome trade. So the reason why we took this trade is because one, on the 30 minutes we are at the buy zone. Because we are at the buy zone, there are other price action there are other reasons too, technical reasons why we took this trade. So I'll be showing you guys that. So but I anticipate this trade to go all the way up because the structure of the market is pointing to the upside, on the 4 hours you can actually see that strong candlestick pattern, all right, which indicate bullish momentum to the upside. And also the structure, you can see that the market is actually forming highs and lows, highs and lows, highs and lows, and so on. And when you understand this concept or the principles, trading actually becomes easy. So you can see we have a high, all right, we have another high, right above there. So you can see that high, guys. So and we have this low, and now we just form a new high and then a new low. So we are expecting it to form a higher high. So when you understand this concept, you'll be able to wrap your head around any kind of scenario the market actually puts to your front. Okay, you'll be able to handle any market condition, whether the market is ranging, whether it's trending, or whatsoever the market is doing, guys. You'll be able to like wrap your head around it, guys. From then you'll be able to become consistent, guys. You'll be able to become consistent. So we're still on step. So we just killed in this morning, and I also share this to the free signal group. So we are still on step. So the target is 8823. So when it gets there, that's when we'll be considering to actually leave the trade. So like I said, this is totally based on what price action and we're not just giving consideration to the indicators alone. So that's why we have so much confidence, guys. So let me just show you exactly what I see. So I'll show you that in a bit, guys. So based on that, it actually gives me confidence because I understand what I'm seeing, and I know what I'm seeing based on past experience. It actually works. So guys, patience is just the only thing, and to open your eyes to a lot of things, guys. So first and foremost, the market went to that area which is more or less like what a resistance zone. So at the resistance zone, what do? You look for sell opportunities. Why at the support zone, what do? You look for buy opportunities. So now at the sell zone, we saw this pattern which is in alignment with the sell zone. That's the sell structure. So we saw this pattern. So we had a breakout of this pattern, and the market actually started selling. Although we did not get our entry quite on time, it wasn't too much of a sniper, but we actually got our entry, and it's playing out nicely. It's playing out nicely, guys. It's playing out perfectly. So please, guys, if you're also looking for wanting to learn from me, guys, feel free to contact me. The link to my WhatsApp, there's my WhatsApp contact on the link in the video, and also the link to the Telegram group. So we do amazing stuff, guys. We take swing trades. Okay, we don't just jump from one trade to the other because we want to trade. We are looking for good setups, guys. Good setups with good risks to reward, guys, and we just sit and wait and let the market do the rest. Okay, so it's been nice, guys, so far. And I also want to just use this opportunity to thank you guys, right? Thank you guys for the work you've been doing. So what I'm trying to do here now is to just show you the structure of the market. That the market was kind of like we had a double top around that area, like we had a double top there. All right, now we broke the structure. Okay, and of the double top, you could have sold there at the fast break on the double top, and then we have our impulsive continuation. So that's that. These are all multiple concept, guys, which you learn to understand with time. It doesn't just start playing along. Okay, so you just have to be patient. Maybe you have been trading for 1 year, 2 years. You just have to keep putting in the work. You got to start and continue pushing. The more you push, the more the market will keep revealing itself to you, guys. So that's just the thing. You just have to be patient, guys. Sometimes it might even take longer, but patience is just the key. And when you pay your price, the sky is your limit, because there are unlimited potential to enrich yourself in this market, guys. So there are unlimited potential. So please, what I'll tell you now is, if you're learning to trade, please don't actually borrow money to like put in the market, guys. Invest what you can actually what lose and still be all right and still be comfortable, rather than putting yourself in the name of you want to make money. So if you're still acquiring knowledge, please just focus on acquiring the knowledge. Give it time, okay? And you make money. You make money. Don't rush and put yourself into unnecessary debt, guys. Don't rush and put yourself into unnecessary debt. Right. So yesterday, one of the conditions why we sold, like I told you earlier in the previous video, in the beginning of the video, like why we sold the boom 1000, we're just gonna review it, guys. So we saw that area there, okay, and that area followed by a rejection of the 1 hour candle within this area, guys. So based on that, we just had to sell. When we waited for, you can see the rejection of the 1 hour candle, but the area which I draw yesterday, I drew it on the 1 hour, is kind of different from that of this morning. Why? Because I'm drawing this from the 4 hours, so there are different points of views. So we have to wait for the 15 minutes for the indicators to actually cross over, and then we actually enter. You see that candle is a powerful candlestick. So you have to like learn how to use those candlestick patterns to your advantage. When you learn how to use these candlestick patterns to your market, to your advantage, you actually see a difference, guys. You see a difference in your trading. You see a difference in things general, in things overall. So, like, you have more clarity in the market, guys. So you see, we actually closed this trade. It did not actually go to take profit, but I asked my members to close. So the next one which we are holding here is a C 500. So for the C500, it's still just gonna play out, and the step index. So that those are the things which will just be holding for today. We won't be trading the crash 1000, guys. We won't be trading the crash 1000 because but the way it looks more like it's gonna buy, but I don't actually trust the setup, because I deal mostly with price action setups. So because of that, guys, I'm not just gonna take the trade, guys. So please endeavor to hit the like button and subscribe if you actually like my videos and if you like to see content. So like guys, for the settings, so let me just share the setting of this video. It's the same thing, okay? We have the Chimoku 10 and 10 King Johnson 2 second span B 2 10 and 4 pixel King Johnson 4 pixel. They should be both black as you just saw. The next indicator we have is MACD fast EMA 5, slow EMA 26. MACD SMA is 12, apply to weighted close. All right, just the way it is, guys. Just maintain everything the way it is. So the next indicator is the moving average period 2 shift 2 method linear weighted applied to previous indicator data. So the next one is moving average period 10. Just copy it the way it is. You can just pause the video and write the whole thing. And then the last one is the relative strength index. So for the relative strength index, we have period 100 and the levels just like that, guys. So when you're done, you just click on done and you have this wonderful setup. So please, and also hit the like button, guys, and subscribe to this your YouTube channel, and also follow us on the Telegram channel. So thank you, guys.